Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you a malenge or butternut chapati recipe, and I'm also going to show you a pojo, ndengu or greengram curry, and also a mini nighttime skincare routine. So stay tuned. I have done a chapo recipe, carrot chapos. I'm going to put the link here, but this one is a bit different because I'm using malenge or pumpkin, but you can also use butternut for this recipe. So boil your malenge until it's very soft so that it's easy to blend. I'm using the exact measurements I did in the carrot chapos. You can check the link and it will direct you to that so that you can see the exact measurements. So it's just all-purpose flour, some salt, some sugar, some oil, and instead of the carrots, I am adding the blended malenge. Make sure the dough is soft, and you can knead it by hand if you don't have a machine, and you cover the dough with a piece of cloth for like 15 minutes. So this step is called making tabaki. You can either do it as I am doing it now, or you can take chunks of some dough from the whole dough and make circles and then oil it and fold that. So cover the tabaki with a kitchen cloth and start preparing the ndengu. To your fried onions, add some garlic and ginger paste. Add the potatoes at this time so that they cook faster. Now transfer the ndengu to less heat. As the ndengu is cooking, we're going to make our chapos. I call this step kuzichoma, which is pre-cooking the chapos without oil, and then I'm going to also cook them in oil later on. So you can cook either 2, 3, 4, 4, 5, 5, 6, 6, depending on how comfortable you are. And you can also cook just one. And that's how you cook easy, simple, delicious Malenge chapos. I'm putting water so that I can make soup for the ndengu, and also I'm adding dania so that I can garnish it and make it fragrant. Our ndengu curry is also done and it smells amazing. So those are done. I want to go shower, then change, and then go eat and watch something. And we are on a road to 1,000 subscribers. Yes, it's a small step, but it will mean a lot to me if you share this video to all your people and everyone who you think might like this video. So yeah, thank you for watching and stay tuned. I feel so clean, guys. Wow. Just want to sit down and watch something or go to bed.
Anyway, so yeah, we are so clean. I am going to apply this night cream. It's by Oriflame, the Hydra Radiance Nourishing Night Cream. Skincare yangu see all that. I just use the same range of products. The face wash, then I scrub with the Garnier charcoal scrub stroke mask, and then I tone with an Oriflame toner, and then yeah, I moisturize and we are good to go. So I'm not going to use much because I really sweat at night. Is there someone who doesn't have this in their house? It works for everything. Anyway, I am going to put on my cheap clothes and yeah, I'll be back. Okay, so let's go serve food.
That's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please remember to like, comment down below, and please subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.